This is Nancy back for another video, and today I'm doing the Fidget Toy collection. But sorry for the bad quality. I've just filmed it on my other camera and then that didn't work. It started freezing and it just went all bad. But then I forgot I had you. So and yeah, it's just really easy to upload on this. So yeah. So let's get on with the video. Wait a minute. I'll tell you how many fidget toys I've got. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I've got 12 fidget toys altogether. So yeah, I'm quite proud of it. So yeah. Anyways, let's go. Okay, I'm back. Hopefully you like the new setup. Bit different. Got my certificates, my medals, my trophies up there. So yeah, let's get on. Even though I just did that, so yeah. I know what I can do. Make it a little cooler. Rainbow. So yeah. Hopefully you enjoy this video. So yeah. First one, I'm going from oldest to newest. First one is this lime green one. Really bad. It looks really cool though when you spin it. So yeah, that was my first ever one. And that was when fidget spinners started. Fidget spinners were getting popular. They've been around for ages. It's just people have never got it. There used to be try spinners. So yeah, or hand spinners or stuff like that. So yeah, there's loads of different names for it. But some of these are no, I'll tell you. Oh wait, let me get one, sorry. Sugar. Let's sort out this light. Okay. Alright, so yeah. Then the next one is, if I can find it, this black fidget spinner. Just a plain black one. Pretty good, pretty smooth. Now to the next one. A gold original spinner. Really loud. Quite cool. One of my friends gave it to me. Now the next is the Beast. This fidget spinner. You can see now. I was going to stand it up on my tripod, but it's just this. It's aluminum, rainbow aluminum. Right, let me get the light better. Right, I'll put it back. This rainbow aluminum fidget spinner. Really sick. It's really smooth as well, but it has this really cool metally sound. And then the next thing isn't a spinner. It is. Wait, that means I've got 13 fidget toys. It's a fidget cube. It's Galaxy. Everyone knows what a fidget cube is. So yeah, I got that. And the next thing is this really cool one as well. It's this. It has its own case. It is a Lamborghini one. It's a sparkly blue, dark blue, or Lamborghini blue. And yeah, got this from my friend. I got a couple from my friend. This was from my friend on my birthday as well. The last one was from my friend on my birthday. And this one was from my friend on my birthday. So yeah, let me just set up this camera. fell. My tripod. My tripod. Okay. Alright. Oh, and again. Good. Hopefully. Alright. So then it was this blue one with the this is my first one with these bearings in. Really quite smooth. Just original. Then I got this orange one. Good bearings. It's so rubbish though. Like, it doesn't barely even spins. It's really rusty. Then I got this, and that was from my friend on my birthday as well. This was from my friend and from the same friend again. It's this purple. It doesn't look like that in real life, but there's this purple sparkly one. It looks better in real life. The camera shows no justice. And then there's this red one. So yeah, just that with matte black bearings. The next one is, this is the one that I forgot about. It is this LED fidget spinner. This actually looks sick. Oh, that is so cool. Oh. Okay. Ready for this? Wait. Look at that. That is sick. One on, just one on. It's still quite cool though. So yeah, there's that one. Look back in its case. Came with like the proper fidget spinner case. The red one that I just showed, I got it on the same day as this, and it came in a proper case as well, but I can't find the case. Then the next is a fidget stick. It's my Galaxy one. I've only got one. It's a Galaxy one with red tops. Everyone knows what it does. You flick it and then you're lucky if it lands. But I found out if you do it up against something, it's easier. So yeah. And next, my last and final one is this fake one kind of. And it's like glossy red. And it's got like plastic bearings. It's really smooth, but it does not spin for long. So yeah, there's that one. So yeah, those are my fidget spinners up here. And then let me quickly just do a quick preview of what I've shown you, just in case didn't get realised. So up the lighting. Alright, good. Lime green, glossy black, shiny gold, metallic rainbow, Lamborghini with the colour Lamborghini blue, blue one with different bearings, an orange sparkle one with different bearings, and a purple sparkle one with different bearings, then a red one with matte black bearings, a LED one, and a rip-off one, a fidget stick, Galaxy, and a Galaxy fidget cube in the case. So yeah, that is my fidget stuff collection, fidget collection. I'm going to do another review after this. And yeah, it'll be cool. So this is it for this video. Make sure to comment down below, like, and what I want you to comment down below is what video I should film next and how many fidget spinners do you have. And this is it for the video. I'm going to do some quick shout outs. So yeah, WWE Kid 2K7 Restart. WWE Kid 1312. Laugh Summer 9. Lucas Belton. I'll just show you the picture because I can't remember his name. His YouTube name. This. Lucas Adventure Vlogs and Fun. So yeah, there's that, and that is it. But make sure to check out my other channels. That will be down in the I'll just tell you now. It is Nancy Gray Vlogs and Nancy Gray Gaming. I haven't posted a lot on my gaming channel, but there's quite a few on my vlog channel, but not as much as my main channel. So this is it, and bye!